Welcome back to Question with Quiz.
How smart are you? Can you answer these 100 general knowledge questions that everyone should know? Tell me at the end how many you get right. Let's get started. What is the largest ocean on Earth? It's C, the Pacific Ocean. Which planet is closest to the Sun? It's C, Mercury. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Correct. B, Shakespeare. Which country invented pizza? Yum. It's C, Italy. How many continents are there on Earth? The answer is A, 7. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? That's right, B, avocado. How many sides does a hexagon have? It has C, 6 sides. How many rings are there on the Olympic flag? Yeah, it's B, 5. How many degrees are in a circle? A, 360 degrees. What type of tree produces acorns? That's right, C, oak. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? It's A, carbon dioxide. How many stars are on the US flag? You got it, C, 50. What is the currency of Japan? That would be B, yen. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? That's B, Mercury. What is the chemical formula for carbon dioxide? Correct, A, CO2. Which ocean borders California? That would be C, Pacific. What is the national sport of Canada? It's C, ice hockey. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Of course, A, basketball. Which natural disaster is measured by the Richter scale? That's it, C, earthquake. How many centimeters are in a meter? That would be B, 100. What does a thermometer measure? It's C, temperature. What is the square root of 9? Correct, it's C, 3. What color are rubies? They are A, red. How many legs does a butterfly have? It's C, 6 legs. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Correct again, B, Japan. In what year did the Titanic sink? That was A, 1912. Which city is home to the Eiffel Tower? Of course, yeah, C, Paris. How many legs does a spider have? They have B, 8 legs. What is the fastest land animal? That would be B, cheetah. Which gas do humans exhale? Yeah, C, carbon dioxide. What is the national sport of Japan? Correct, C, sumo. Who invented the light bulb? It was A, Thomas Edison. In what country is the Great Pyramid of Giza located? Yep, it's B, Egypt. How many players are on a soccer team? That's B, 11 players. Who painted the Mona Lisa? B, Leonardo da Vinci. What is the capital of Canada? It's C, Ottawa. What is the world's largest country by area? Correct, it's C, Russia. What is the most common gas in the Earth's atmosphere? It would be B, nitrogen. Which fruit has seeds on the outside? It's C, strawberries. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? It's A, 32°F. How many bones are there in the human body? A, 206 bones. What is the capital of Thailand? That would be A, Bangkok. How many planets are in our solar system? That's right, A, 8 planets. Which organ produces bile? Yeah, that's B, the liver. How many colors are in a rainbow? There are B, 7 colors. Which color is at the top of a rainbow? Yeah, correct. A, red. Which bird is known for being flightless? Of course, B, penguin. Which animal is known for having a pouch? Correct, it's C, kangaroo. How many sides does a pentagon have? They have B, 5 sides. What is the largest bone in the human body? Nice, yeah, it's A, femur. What color are emeralds? Yeah, B, green. What is the largest animal in the ocean? That would be A, blue whale. Which continent is home to the Amazon rainforest? That's C, South America. Which country is known for the creation of sushi? Yeah, it's A, Japan. Who discovered gravity when an apple fell on his head? It was B, Isaac Newton. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? It was B, France. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? It's B, an octopus. Which color is associated with St. Patrick's Day? It's C, green. How many strings does a standard guitar have? Yeah, B, 6 strings. What is the largest island in the world? It's A, Greenland. What is the primary ingredient in bread? You got it, A, flour. How many grams are in a kilogram? That would be A, 1,000. Which planet is known for having a great red spot? Correct answer is C, Jupiter. How many bones are in a shark's body? It's A, 0. How many letters are in the English alphabet? There are B, 26 letters. Which element has the chemical symbol O? That would be A, oxygen. How many chambers does the human heart have? It has B, 4 chambers. In what month does summer start in the Northern Hemisphere? Correct, it's A, June. Which planet is known as the gas giant? Yeah, it's A, Jupiter. What is the chemical symbol for water? It's A, H2O. What is the square root of 64? Yeah, it's B, 8. Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? That was B, Michelangelo. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Yeah, it's C, the kidneys. Who painted The Starry Night? Yeah, A, Vincent van Gogh. Which element has the chemical symbol Fe? The answer is A, iron. Which planet is known for its rings? Correct again, it's B, Saturn. Which fruit shares its name with a color? That would be C, orange. Which country is famous for the Great Barrier Reef? Yeah, correct, A, Australia. Which country is known for maple syrup? That's right, B, Canada. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? That's right, C, Neil Armstrong. How many days are in a year? You got it, A, 365. How many players are on a baseball team during a game on the field? Correct, it's A, 9. What currency is used in the United Kingdom? They use C, pound. What shape is a stop sign? Yep, it's A, an octagon. Which fruit is dried to make raisins? That's B, grapes. What is the primary ingredient in hummus? Correct, it's A, chickpeas. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? That's correct, A, mercury. How many seconds are in an hour? There are B, 3,600. Which animal is known for its stripes? Yeah, B, a zebra. As of 2024, which country has the largest population? That's right, A, India. What is the square root of 16? Correct answer is C, 4. What is the national animal of the USA? Yeah, it's A, the eagle. Which element is represented by the chemical symbol H? Yeah, it's B, hydrogen. Which animal can regrow its limbs? Yeah, B, a starfish. What is the capital of Mexico? It's C, Mexico City. Which bird is often associated with delivering babies? Correct, it's B, a stork. What is the tallest mountain in Africa? It's B, Mount Kilimanjaro. Which animal is known for its long neck? Of course, A, a giraffe. Which body part produces insulin? That would be B, pancreas. How many Great Lakes are there in North America? There are B, 5 Great Lakes. Share your score in the comments below and tell us how many you got right. If you scored 100%, hit the thumbs up and thanks for playing.